Hi everyone, this is Rob from the Forex Signals Complex. Today I'm going to show you how to make money on Forex. So what we're going to use today is CFDs. Right now we're looking at odd USD. This is the daily charts. You clearly see there's a downtrend going on. All right, we also got a volume profile indicating a sell-off from 73.70 to 0.27230. All right, looks like a pretty good chart, except these candles are pretty nasty. You got a lot of topping tails going on. Market makers going after your stop loss. So what you want to do to make money is go on binary options, Forex, go to the weeklies. And as you can see, it's daily chart, same charts, same pattern going on over here. What you want to do is buy in the money options. So basically, it's going to look like this. Everything below 0.7288. Trying to avoid these nasty wicks over here that would stop out any retail Forex trader. So you'll risk 30 to make $70. These are basically weekly options on Forex. This basically is a trend strategy. Nobody expects prices to go up. Yeah, peak, 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 peak. So basically, prices should continue to go lower, especially with news coming out of Europe. Binary options. This is one good way to make money. We're going to be hosting a free live stream. So join in the description below. We'll be going live every day, Telegram live. Join with the description below. Thank you. A good one.